Hey there, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, thank you so much for joining me. My name is Ashley and today we are going to do a brand new Buffbunny Collection unboxing. So without further ado, let's dive right into it. So the first item that I have here is the Threads Zip Up Hoodie, and it is in the color Garden Party. Now it is a size small, but I know the Threads collection usually does run a little bit larger, which I'm not complaining. I'm pregnant, so I want something to be a little bit oversized as I grow. Now right away, I'm loving that this hoodie is actually more lightweight than I thought it was gonna be. It looks nice and comfy inside, but I do love that because I run hot, and also, you know, it just means we can wear it all the time in Arizona where it's always hot. But super cute, love this design. It's got the Buffbunny on the sleeve, really fun. And then we of course have to have a matching pant. I got the matching pant, same color in Garden Party, and this is the, I'm assuming just threads crossover sweatpants. I've gotten these before in the past in a color black. Now I did get a size extra small, which I was contemplating on just because obviously I am pregnant, but I remembered that they did run again oversized, so I think they should be fine. Now I love these, I love my black ones, and I love these because of the design here on the top on the waistband. It gives you that crossover, that V, which really accentuates your waistline, makes you look super snatched. You know I'm all about that. And then the bottom has just more of a wide leg design. So super comfy, super cozy. This is something I would say that is every pregnant woman's dream outfit right here. So I will definitely be wearing this a lot. Going into some bottoms, these are gonna be the Dream Heathered legging bottoms, and they are in the color Eris Ivy. Now I got a size small in my leggings. I usually do an extra small, but again, just with the pregnancy, this color is super fun. It has more of that, like, I don't know how I would describe it. It's not pure gray, but it's almost like a charcoaly design, which I like a lot. And then the back has the dip back with the V. Buffbunny again, accentuating. Really, really cute. And then from there, we'll go into a sports bra. So this is actually the same exact, yeah, it is. Same exact design that I have on right now. This is the Revolution sports bra in color Garden Party. So same color that was in my Threads cozy piece there. So I got a small in this. Love the back. This I really love because it has that square design, or square neckline I should say, which I think is really cute. It has the removable pads, which we love. And yeah, I'm really loving this color for fall. I like it a lot. So we'll stick with the color here. This is the Micro Legacy legging in Garden Party. I got a size small again in this. Really, really cute. So these I love. They're so stretchy, you guys. Like, I feel like, yeah, my belly can grow and I can continue to wear these. They're so stretchy. I love, love, love. So color Garden Party, size small. The back again has the V. Now it does have a little extra ribbing, like a double ribbing, which is really cute. Yeah, I don't know what it is about this color. I'm just loving it for fall. I did get also a matching headband. I've actually never had a Buffbunny headband, but everyone I talk to says they're the best. So I got 3 of them. So here's the first headband in the color Garden Party. We'll just go through the headbands. Second headband in the color Bloom. Buffbunny logo there. They are all one size for the headbands. And then my third headband is in Ivy Dahlia, which is fun. Almost like a camo print, but instead of the camo, it's a dahlia, I guess. Okay, so sticking with that print, we'll go into the Alpha Sports Bra, size small in the color Ivy Dahlia once again, so matches my headband here. So this is in size small. Loving this design. It's got the V in the front, removable pads. I do like that this is a little bit longer in the band here in the front, so it's probably gonna go down a little bit lower than a traditional sports bra, which I think is fun. It almost makes it more of a top, a crop top versus a sports bra. The back has the crisscross design, really flattering. 2 more to go, you guys. 2 more pieces. We're switching up gears here too with our colors. Okay, this is the Plunge Seamless Sports Bra in color Empire Rose. Now, I did order this in a size medium, only because I know the plunging designs Usually when I'm not pregnant, I'm already kind of popping out. So with my boobs growing a little bit during the pregnancy, I'm trying a size medium. I've honestly never tried a medium in any of their sports bras, so we will see, but I do think I'll have a lot more coverage in the front just because it's already plunging, we're already showing a lot. And then it has, again, removable pads, adjustable straps, and then to match that, I have the Waterfall Seamless Legging in Empire Rose, got a size small. So these are these funny ones. They look like they are so tiny, but they stretch, a lot of stretch in them. Now the back, it does have that booty lifting design, as you can see. So that is all the pieces that I have from this latest collection. You know the drill, stay tuned because tomorrow I'm gonna be posting a try-on haul, giving you all of my honest feedback, the good, the bad, and yeah, I'm super excited to be back. Thank you so much for your patience. I know I've been a little bit lacking here in the YouTube world, but honestly, pregnancy has got me good. I've been so fatigued. Stay tuned for that next video, and if you don't already, please like and subscribe for more content from me, and I will see you very soon.